Good morning friends, myself Mayur Kainar. Today we will learn the trigonometry topic. Trigonometry is the main part of the geometry both in 9th standard and 10th standard. It is very important part and very scoring part of the geometry math 2 subject. Now trigonometry means the word, the Greek word trigno means triangle and metron means measurement. That is measurement of triangle. It is known as the trigonometry. Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics that studies the relationship between the side angles and the angles of trigonometry. The various large number of applications of trigonometry in practical purpose like navigation, surveying, aerospace, geodesics, etc. These are big, and engineering is the most important application of trigonometry. In various fields, the trigonometries are used for measuring the sides of unknown sides using given two sides. Now, today we will learn about the basic topics of trigonometry, that is basic trigonometry. Everyone, friends, remember that trigonometry is only used for the right angle triangle. Right? The right angle triangle, in the right angle triangle, the most important theorem is Pythagoras theorem. On the basis of this theorem, we can solve the. On the basis of this theorem, we can find the trigonometric ratios. Today, we will learn the basic of trigonometry. In this basic of trigonometry, we learn the trigonometric ratios. And second one is basic formula and reciprocal identities of trigonometry. Friends, for understanding the ratios of trigonometry, suppose consider the triangle ABC. In figure, the triangle ABC shows if AB is perpendicular to BC, that is AB is perpendicular to the BC, that is height is perpendicular to the base, then angle ABC is made 90 degree. Angle ABC is become 90 degree. Therefore, the triangle ABC is right angle triangle. And in right angle triangle, we can use the trigonometry. On suppose angle C, take as the theta. Angle C is equal to theta, right? In this triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, the side AC is the opposite side of 90 degree. That is angle ABC. Therefore, it becomes hypotenuse. Note that the opposite side of the 90 degree is hypotenuse, and which is the large side of the triangle, that is AC. Then we consider angle theta. Angle C is at theta. Therefore, the opposite side is become AB. AB is the opposite side of angle theta, and remaining side is adjacent side of angle theta. These are the consideration. First of all, this as according to the we consider the angle C is the theta. There is some different. If we consider the angle A is the theta, therefore opposite side and adjacent side will be changed. But we consider angle C is the theta, therefore the opposite side is AB, BC is the adjacent side, and the remaining largest side, that is AC, is the hypotenuse. Now in trigonometry there are three families: sine family, cosine family, and tangent family, and there are 6 ratios. Three families: sine family. In sine there are 2 ratios: sin theta and cos theta. Sin theta and cosec theta. In cosine family, there are 2 ratios, again cos theta and sec theta. And tangent family. In tangent family, also there are 2 ratios: tan theta and cot theta. There are total 6 ratios of trigonometry, that is sin theta, cosec theta, cos theta, sec theta, tan theta, and cot theta. These are the ratios. Today we will find the ratios of trigonometry ratio of trigonometry with the help of this triangle. Now sin theta, always remember that sin theta is the opposite side of angle theta upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is the adjacent side of angle theta upon hypotenuse, and tan theta is equal to, it is the adjacent opposite side of angle theta upon adjacent side of the angle theta. Okay. Remaining ratios, that is cosec theta. When we see the topic number 2, that is reciprocal of identities, we know that the sin theta is a reciprocal of cosec theta and cosec theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. Therefore formula becomes hypotenuse upon opposite side of angle theta. Similarly, sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side of angle theta, adjacent side of angle theta. Last one is cosec cot theta. Cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. They become the adjacent formula ratio become adjacent side of angle theta upon opposite side of angle theta. These are the basic ratios of trigonometry. Sin theta is opposite side of angle theta upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to adjacent side of angle theta upon hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to opposite side of angle theta upon adjacent side of the angle theta. Then cosec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon opposite side of angle theta. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon adjacent side of angle theta. And remaining one is cot theta is equal to adjacent side of the angle theta upon hypotenuse opposite side of the angle theta. We can apply these ratios on this triangle. Therefore the ratio sin theta is equal to opposite side AB upon AC hypotenuse, adjacent side BC upon hypotenuse AC. These are the ratios applying on the triangle. Then AB upon BC, that is at opposite side upon adjacent side. Cosec theta is equal to AC upon AC upon AB, AC upon BC, and last one is BC upon AB. These are the trigonometric ratio. Now basic of trigonometry, second one is basic formula. Basic formula is for tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. This is the basic formula for trigonometry. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, and second one is cot theta is equal to cosec theta upon sin theta. Right? This is the basic formula, and reciprocal identities. First one is sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta. Second, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. As similarly, third one is cos theta is reciprocal of sec theta, and sec theta is reciprocal of cosec theta. Also, tan theta is the reciprocal of cot theta, and cot theta is the reciprocal of tan theta. Okay, these are the reciprocal of trigonometry's identity. Right? We will see the trigonometry's reciprocals. We will see the trigonometry's identity in the next lecture.